Hey there, future coder. Welcome to Shift 101 IT Workshop. So, how do we actually code it? Let's get started with our program.
Step 1. Create a new file and name it input.py. In this file, we'll write a simple example that takes input from the user.
Step 2. Write your code.
Let's create a program that will ask users to enter their name and age. We'll use the input function to collect their responses and the print function to display the result on the screen.
Step 3. Run your program. You should see the output displayed on your screen. Did you know? In Python, the input function is used to take user input from the keyboard. It reads a line of text entered by the user and returns it as a string.
This makes it easy to collect data or interact with the users. During a program, Python uses a simple input function.
That's it. Congratulations and great job.
Thank you for learning Python with Shift 101.
Be sure to follow us.
On all our social media platforms.
To stay updated with more IT workshops.
Keep
Keep
learning,
learning,
keep
keep
coding.
coding.